Today I want to review for you the Bodum pour over coffee maker. I have truly enjoyed this coffee maker. It's a little different from what you're used to, and let me tell you a few of the great features for it. It does have this reusable stainless steel filter that you're going to put your coffee grounds actually into this. You're going to put it there. You're going to pour your water over the top of it and then watch your coffee actually just form into the bottom. The cork band around it helps you to, it gives you something to hold on to if you're needing to transport it or move it, because this will get warm. And then once the coffee has completely the water has completely drained through the filter, it has this great lid that you can put on like this. You can put it on like this, so you can pour your coffee out in an easy stream. I have found that it really makes the coffee more robust, flavorful, as well as the aroma of the coffee is greater in one of these. I did select the smaller version, which is only a 17 ounce. It does come in a larger version, a 34 ounce. I'm the only coffee drinker in our house, so this is all that I needed for my 1 cup of coffee every day. So if you're looking for a great addition, if you're a coffee lover like me, pick up this Bodum pour over coffee maker. Add it to your cart today.